So this is day 14 of Parallax website project part 2, adding parallax effect. Hello amazing coders, Kishan Sharma here from Kredict and welcome to day 14 where we will not only add captivating parallax effect to our section but also ensure our website is responsive. Hit subscribe if you are ready to see our website come alive. So, recap from day 13. Before we dive into today's content, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the last video. Where we planned, created the HTML structure and applied basic styles to our Parallax website. If you missed it, check it out for some valuable reasons. So, this is Parallax effect setup. Let's set up the foundation for our Parallax effect. We will create a container for each Parallax section and apply a background image to create a visual stunning experience. So here we have this. So let's make a HTML file and CSS file for styling. Let's link the CSS file to the HTML. So this is our boilerplate and link CSS. This style is linked. So here we will write for sections width will be 100% and height will 100 VH. So in the upcoming video we will discuss about units in the CSS. So what is VH, what are percentage, we will discuss in depth. So font size will 20 pixel. So in the index file we will just make first title Parallax website. So this is very stunning website. Here we will add 4 sections. Viewing, you can see here we have these 4 images. I hope you are getting this. So let's give some style to it. So in the section we will give background size cover, and you can see all images are squeezed, not squeezed. Here all the images are looking perfectly. We want to text in center, so we will give text align center. So all the text is coming in the center. So we will remove to all the margins. So we will add a universal selector here, and here we will give margin 0 and padding 0 and box sizing border box. In the upcoming video we also see about these sections. So here our website is looking great. So we want to, so here we have h1 and give a property font size 20 pixel. So let's give more font to this, like 50 pixel. So you can see our text is much bigger now. So give some more property, font weight bold, and give more any like font color is white, and let's increase more like 70 pixel. So you can see here text is coming. So we want to add a parallax effect to it. So we will just give, you can see parallax effect implementation. Now let's implement the parallax effect using CSS. We will use the background attachment fixed property to create the beautiful scrolling illusion. So we will use this properties, just copy these properties and paste in our CSS file. Sorry. So here we added background attachment fixed, background position center, background repeat no repeat, and background size cover. So we will just remove background size cover because we already added this. So here we added, so let's scroll this. You can see parallax effect amazingly working. So this project is very amazing. I hope you are getting this. So make your own parallax effect and websites fast go and make this. So this is responsive also. So in here we don't anything do about responsive, just you can see you can add this effect in your website also. I hope you are getting this. So if your website is shining with Parallax effect and looking amazing on all devices, hit like and share your accomplishment in the comment. Subscribe for more daily coding adventures. This concludes our Parallax website project in 2 days. Thanks for joining me on day 14. I am Krishna Sharma from Kredict signing off. Congratulations on completing this incredible Parallax website.